Yeah, they say this is supposed to be a haunted church. It's kind of creepy looking. Real quiet. It's recording, go. Too quiet. Dick. Oh, see, you may be cussing the church. This is a nice looking little church. No crosses or religious relics hanging on the wall, nothing like that. There's light switches, but no lights. All that's really in here is these pews. There's 2 doors in the front. And then there's a door in the back and the podium, or whatever you call it, right there. And there's a big hole in the wall, looks like a bird's nest or something up in there. That's about it.